So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video is going all about the PLL, the 21 cases that finished the CFOP method. So if you already know OLL, then learning PLL is the final step to solving under 15 seconds and beyond. So I'll be go through all 21 PLLs one by one, showing recognition tips and the most common algorithms and some finger trick suggestion. So let's get started. So starting with some famous PLL cases. So first one is T perm. So you will recognize this with this, this and this matching with same color. So execution. So faster look like this. So this is the second case that's called JB perm. So you will notice that bar solved and pieces on one face and this opposite to the this. So execution. So faster look like this. So this is the third case called JA pump. So this is the opposite of JB pump. So you will notice that JB pump has this and this bar solved. So this time are opposite, all the things are opposite, and this are also opposite. So execute like this. So faster look like this. Is the fourth case called RA pump. So you will notice that look like a T pump, but you will recognize by this and this are adjacent, means not matching to the same colors. So execution of this. So faster look like this. So this is the fourth case called RB pump. So this is the opposite of RA pump. So you will notice that this also not matching, but on left side, RA pump on right side. So execution of this. So faster look like this. So this is the sixth case called F pump. So you will notice that the only bar on left side and these are opposite and these two are opposite and these two are same. So execution of this. So faster look like this. So this is the seventh case called GA pump. So you will notice if we hide this, so you will notice that it look like a JB pump, but that's a adjacent color of this. So this is a GA pump. So execution of this, like D and U prime at the same time, and so faster look like this. So this one is eighth case called GB pump. So you will notice that this only headlight and these two are opposite. So headlight are known as, these two color are same, and this color is whatever else, but these two are the same. So this is known as the headlight, and these two are the opposite. So this is called the GB pump. So execution of this like this. So faster look like this. So this one is ninth case called GC pump, because G pumps has four variants. So this is GC pump. It is the opposite of GA pump, because GA pump has this bar in this, but it is opposite of that. So execution like this. So faster look like this. So this is the 10th case called GD pump. So you will notice that this is the opposite of GB pump. So this time the headlight and these two opposite on this side. GB pump has these two opposite, and this is a GD pump. So these two are opposite. So execution of this. So execution of this like this. U and D same time, like this. So faster it look like this. So this is an NA pump. So you recognize with this that these two opposite with this, and these two opposite with this in each side. So execution. So faster it look like this. So this is an NB pump. So it is the opposite of NA pump, where these two are opposite to this and these two opposite are to this in each side. So execution. faster it look like this. So this is an Y pump. So if you recognize this, that these small block in the middle of this, these are solved and these are execution. Faster it look like this. So this one is the AA pump, where these two are opposite to this, but these two are opposite to not this, means that these two are the same and these two are opposite to this. So execution. So faster it look like this pump. So this is an AB pump. So if you see, these two are the same and this time these two are opposite to this. So execution. Faster it look like this. This is an V pump. So it looked like this previous cases, but in this time these two are opposite and this is a full bar and these two are the opposite. So execution. Faster it look like this. So this is most of the complicated PLL. So you will see this matches to this, but this opposite to this, so you will execute from this angle, not this angle where these two are opposite, where these two are the same. So execution. So moving to the U pumps and like M move PLLs. So one of these, so it is a UA pump, where this is the headlight and this is opposite to the this and this opposite to the this and a bar, a full bar. So execution. Push with middle finger, you to faster it look like this. So this is an UB pump opposite of UA pump, where these two are opposite and this is the same of this. So execution. It look like this. So this is an H pump, where these two are the opposite and means all of the headlights and this opposite to the this. Execution. So faster it look like this. So this is an Z pump. uh, you recognize with this that headlights on each side, and but these two are not opposite, these two are adjacent. So execution. So faster it look like this. So bye, and comment down if this video helps to you, and comment down your PBs and singles, whatever else you love in cubing. So till then, happy cubing. I see you in the next video. Bye.